Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, none is a special constant representing the absence of a value or a null value. It is a built-in object of the nonetype class and serves various purposes in Python programming. In this tutorial, we will explore the none data type, understand its usage, and see how it differs from other values such as false, 0, an empty string, or an empty list. None is often used to signify the absence of a value or as a placeholder. It is returned by functions that do not explicitly return a value, and it can be used as a default parameter in function definitions. In Python, none is considered a falsy value, meaning it evaluates to false in Boolean contexts. Functions in Python may return none explicitly or implicitly if no return statement is encountered. None can be used as a default value for function parameters. This is often useful when the function expects an argument but can still work with a default value if none is provided. None can be used to initialize a variable without assigning it any specific value, or to reset a variable to a null state. You can use none to check whether a function has been executed or not, especially when the function might return different types of values. It's important to understand the difference between none and other falsy values in Python. While none represents the absence of a value, other values like 0, an empty string, or an empty list represent specific values. Understanding how to use none effectively can make your code more readable and robust. By using none appropriately, you can handle cases where the absence of a value needs to be explicitly represented in your code. Remember to use is none or is not none when comparing with none, as none is a singleton object in Python. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it informative and helpful in understanding the none data type in Python. ChatGPT